All right, today is going to be a long one. It's going to be continuing with decisioning, but we're going to introduce a decision table into our decision model. Quick recap of what we have going on. This programmable right here is get from the guest data. It is returning the most recently cleared item from their cart. And it is then outputting that into this programmable, and this programmable is suggesting a similar item from the inventory. So we are going to introduce a decision table into this, and I will just feed this programmable into the decision table, and this decision table is going to feed right into that programmable. It's very, very intuitive for the users. So I'm trying to think of a plausible scenario where your business user might want a decision table. And what I'm thinking is this. I guess it's just a proof of concept. The idea is to show the technical know-how here. But I also want to showcase some of the power and that you can give your business users to really take control and update and edit this decision model as on a daily basis or ongoing basis. So what I want to do is I want to get the category of the most recent item. So we most recently cleared that brown perfume. And based off of the category, your business user is going to choose a product from inventory of the same category or any category that they want to suggest to the user. So, and maybe this is useful if, let's say, the inventory is really high on this one product and you want to move it. But this is kind of a fluctuating thing on a daily or weekly basis. Your user can go and update this decision table without any code or in a very easy, simple way. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's start down here with this programmable. Right now it's outputting the item ID. I want to output the item category, which is going to be of type string. And then now I am in the decision table. Suggest item from inventory. Okay, and then we will add an input column. So the input column is going to be coming from that last programmable. It is going to be of type string, and we're going to call this item category. All right, and let's take a look at all the different categories we have in here. So we have smartphones. We have laptops. Fragrances. Skincare. Groceries. Home decoration. And that's it. All right, so those are going to be the possible input values. We're going to add them in as predefined values. You can see how this would be if new products or new categories come, your business user can do this without any code, without knowing how to write any JavaScript. We already have laptops. Okay. All right, and then we're going to add an output column. And the name of the output column would be suggested item ID, let's call it. And let's say this is suggested item ID will be the output reference. So this is what I'm gonna copy this right now. We're gonna use that in the next programmable, and it's going to be of type integer. Okay, so for home decoration, let's just say we're gonna do the flying wooden bird, 27. If they last cleared home decoration, we're gonna suggest the flying wooden bird. If they last cleared groceries, a grocery item, we are going to suggest the gulab powder, whatever that is, 25. And I'm sure you can imagine much more realistic or intricate or useful ways, whatever your business needs are. This is more of just to showcase the capability. Skincare, let's say for skincare, we could do skincare, we'll do Skin Beauty Serum, 19. Fragrances, we will do the Fog Scent Espresso. That is 13. And then the laptops, HP Pavilion, which is 10. And then iPhone X is 2. For a smartphone, we'll do a 2. All right. All right, so right now we're going to test this out. We saved it, we're going to test it out, and I am expecting, our last thing was a fragrance, so I'm expecting 13 to be outputted. So let's go ahead and test this out. Suggest similar product, yep, that's expected to throw an error. And the name of the output reference was what? I think we copied that. There it is, and 13. So yep, it is outputting 13. All right. So we have that saved. Let's go back to our canvas. And then we need to update this. So this is going to go into the inventory, and it's going to, let's call this maybe, can we change the name here? Get product details. I'm going to need this later, I think. I'm going to need both of these, I believe. And just going to, we can reuse this up here. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of this. Let's see. This is suggested item ID. Okay. And then we will just, so we're looping through here. We just need to, okay. category, it's going to be title, I believe. We have one for description. And then we will have one for images. I believe it's, let's say it's image. I believe it's images. It's an array. And we're take the first one. And then we are just going to return this. And best that we just break this because we don't need to run that entire loop. All right, this is a type map. All right, let's test it out. Let's see what we have here. Suggest item details, not there. Get product details, it's called. Okay, and there it is, get product details. And there it is, all the information for 13. Okay, and then let's go back to our canvas. I think that's it. I think we're good here. This is the programmable, get product details, and I copy both of these. We're going to need those. I move this into test. Move this into here. And I'm just going to archive variant 7. Okay, so there we go. Let's go and get that stuff. And we are expecting the fog sent Expressio. And here, advanced edit, API. Okay, suggested product, and this is, we have to update this. With get product details. And then suggested product, outputs, suggest similar product. And we gotta switch these. Can I switch them all? No, I don't think so. Okay, and let's update that. All right, and preview. So we're looking for the fog scented Expressio. And something went wrong. API response. This is step after the last dot. Okay, so I have some sort of syntax error in here. Price, I don't have price. I did not include price. I have these though. And I forgot to description, title, description, image, and what was the other thing I had? I didn't need the category of the brand actually, I just needed the price. I will go and, yeah, so then here, I need to go and change. Well, let's just preview it first. Okay, there it is. I'm missing the price because in the decision model I didn't send the price, but I'll go and change that. You don't need to watch that. But here you go. This is the logic from the decision table. The fog expressio. There you go, everybody.